In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bully on PC with PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your DualShock controller to play Bully on PC. For this method, we are going to be using Steam, but don't worry, even if you own Bully outside of Steam, you can still get it to work. The reason why we want to use Steam is because Steam has a feature on its launcher called Steam Input. Steam Input automatically detects and sets up your DualShock controller, so it makes the process easier. You don't have to download any additional tools like PS4 Windows, and the only necessary thing is for Steam to be running. So go to your library and find Bully. If you don't own Bully on Steam, click the option to add a game at the bottom left, go to add a non-Steam game, and browse through all of the files on your computer. You need to find the Bully executable and add the game to the list. Once you have Bully added to the Steam library, find the game and right-click it. You will notice that I'm going to demonstrate this process with CS2. Sadly, I don't have Bully installed on this computer. I apologize, but the steps are going to work. So go into the properties, controller, and make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Something else to check is to go into the Steam Launcher settings. So go to Steam at the top left, settings, and now you will see this menu. Browse through all of the categories and choose controller at the left. Now, make sure that Steam Input is enabled for all types of controllers, and with this done, you are basically good to go. The most important thing is that Bully has Steam Input enabled. You can go into the controller configurator to change some settings about it. You will notice that I have an Xbox controller connected, but don't worry, it will work for your DualShock controller, and as long as you have either an official layout or a community layout selected, you are good to go. You don't have to spend time manually changing all of these keybinds if you don't want to. Just make sure that you run the game through Steam with Steam Input enabled and you will get it to work. If it doesn't work, then sadly you will have to download external tools like PS4 Windows and let it run on the background. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bully on PC with PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.